Hello guys, welcome to TechTricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to fix unable to install because its integrity could not be verified. Let's get started. So if you have this particular error, what you can do is you can head over right here to your settings, and then from in here, just head over to your screen time. And in here, scroll down until you can see this content and privacy restriction. Make sure that this right here is turned off. And then just enter in here your screen time passcode in order to turn that off. Now, the next thing you need to do is to just head over and look in here for the option of Safari. Here it is, so click on it. And then from in here, scroll to the very bottom until you can see the option for advanced. Click on it, and then you can see in here the option for experimental pictures. So click on that. And in here, you can see all of this right here. So what you can do in this case is to click on this right here to reset all defaults. Click on this right here, and then this will reset all the defaults that you have on your Safari, and that should be able to fix your problem. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and try my best to answer. Thanks!